Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of CITI Bank. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. While you're trying to enroll into an online banking account of CITI Bank, first thing you need to make sure is that you already have a bank account. Only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account. First thing you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'll be going on with the Google Chrome. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box you'll need to type in the link that is www.citi.com. so this is a direct link, so I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So as you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site. You can go through all of the information that is provided. In order to register or enroll into an online banking account of CITI Bank, you can see in the right hand side corner you have the login interface. In case you already have an online banking account of CITI Bank, you can type in your username and a password in order to log in, and you can also scan it with your QR code. But then if you don't have an account and want to register or enroll into an online banking account, now you need to click on the register option in order to enroll into an online banking account. As you click on register, you'll be directed to the enrollment page, and here you'll have all the information that is required while you need to enroll or register into an online banking account. You can see first of all you need to provide your account information. If you don't have a bank account on CITI Bank, then you'll not be able to enroll into an online banking. First thing you need to do is provide your card detail. And also you have multiple options, such as you can either select bank account number instead of your credit card or your debit card, or else you can also provide your paycheck protection program loan account number. So the steps goes on, you can go through all of these. You can select either one of these options in order to provide your account information. Once you're done providing your information, tap on continue setup, and then you have the verification step. So in order to verify, you need to provide your contact information. That includes either entering your email or your phone number. Once you provide your contact information, a verification code will be sent through an SMS or an email, and after that you need to type in the verification code, and if the provided information is correct, you have successfully verified your account. After that, you have set up online access, which means that you need to create user ID and a password. For that, you need to create a strong password and a username. For the confirmation, you'll be asked to type in twice, and after that, once again you need to confirm all of the information provided on the last step. If all of the information provided is correct, then you need to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you have successfully set up or enrolled into an online banking account of CITI Bank, and that is how simple it is to enroll into an online banking account of CITI Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.